Hello everyone. So today, we have an action figure, um, right here, Marco One Piece, and also thank you for 400 subscribers, again. And I have some stuff I have to talk about. Let's get straight into it. Oh, Marco One Piece. Well, unbox this. I'll talk about it. So, thank you for 400 subscribers again. I know I haven't been posting that much because of Gambit, that shit. Once I like a video goes popular, I fucking just run away. Nothing happens. But, but. So the reason I'm not gonna be making any more like videos like daily schedules because as you can see I have a headphone attached to my phone, and the reason why is because my headset jack is fucked up. So basically my phone thinks it's in headphone mode, which isn't. So the only way I can talk through you guys and people is to just put in headphones and just basically record, which is kind of goofy, but yeah. Oh yeah. There's a stand. And that's all the box. Wow. Cool. How do I put this in? There we go. Boom, we got Marco The Phoneix. Let me just lower the brightness. As you can see, we have him right here with the Phoenix fruit. So he's good next to Weird White Beer now. Alright, so the reason why I haven't been making videos is because number one, my phone's fucking broken and I have to do this every single time just to fucking speak. And number two, I just genuinely don't have any ideas, which I'm gonna get more ideas. And also high school is starting, which nervous for that shit because my older brother's gonna be there, so yeah. And that's why I haven't been posting a lot. And yeah, but thank y'all for 400 subscribers again, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.